silk, a dash of gold, a story in a cupcake told from velvet batter, dark and sweet, to every chocolate lover's treat. Watch the magic start to rise, a feast for both the soul and eyes, whisked with love and baked to glory, straight from Lubna's kitchen diary. A dusting here, a frosting swirl, the finest cocoa flags unfurl, sweet perfection, rich and airy,